Hi guys, it's Sandy. So a few weeks ago, I wanted to host a swap on my Instagram, and I asked these lovely ladies, or four of these lovely ladies on Instagram, if they would like to join me in my swap. And thankfully, they were delighted to participate. And I just wanted to say thank you to them for wanting to join in my swap. So what we had to do was we had to do an embellishment swap because I do love embellishments. I love receiving them. I just love handmade embellishments and creating them as well. So I thought that's what we would do. And I will also link below their Instagram account, and please head over to their Instagram and check out all of their lovely projects and what they create. They are very talented, and their presentation on their work is just really lovely to look at. So, okay, so what we'll do is we'll start with the packagings that they've sent to me. I do apologize for not uploading my embellishments that I sent off to the ladies, but it is on my Instagram if you wanted to have a look. So what they had to do was create four embellishments and then package them up in some kind of packaging, and that also had to be embellished as well. So it was just a simple easy swap, and I wanted to see what they create. So let's go ahead and let's open these up. So we had this one here. Now I've already opened the packaging first just to save time, but I haven't actually looked inside them. So we'll find out who this one is from, and then I will link all of their details down below for you. So this one here, we'll find out in a minute. We'll just have a look. So, oh, these are glassine bags. I haven't ever received any glassine bags. I do love them. We don't have any here in Australia or in Sydney. I've never seen them, and I've always wanted them. So thank you very much. These are really nice. Definitely will use those. This must be her embellishment, which I'll get to in a second. I'll find out who sent me this. Okay, yes, this is from MrsEvally. She is a talented, creative crafter. I'll have to tell you that creates beautiful artwork. So she also has a YouTube account. I will link that down below as well. You really have to go and check out her work on Instagram. Her work is just so pretty and gorgeous, and even her packaging, they're just lovely. So let's see what she's got. She's sent me some doilies. I'll put her notes to the side. Oh, she sent me, oh, this is cute, a mask sheet. Oh, okay, I'm going to give that a go. Thank you very much. And there's a nice pink, a mint coloured paper clip that came with it. And this is a nice packaging too. It's got some gold and silver with some washi tape. Let's see what's inside. Oh, she sent me some more goodies. Oh, this is nice. Some sticky notes. Oops, everything's falling apart. Oh, that's nice. Oh, stuck onto the back there. So some sticky notes. So thank you for that, MrsEvally. Well, actually, her name is Tina. And oh look, she said yes, they are more glassine bags. Here we go. Look how cute they are. I don't know why we don't. I can never find these here in Sydney. I've searched near and far for these. So thank you. These are cute. Oh, so tiny. And some bird paper clips. How adorable are they? She's also gifted me some gold foiled word stickers. Would be perfect to add on my embellishment projects. And some arrow paper clips. Thank you. Thank you very much, MrsEvally. They're wonderful gifts. I will definitely use them. And this is her embellishment pack that we were meant to do in a swap. So look at that. How gorgeous is that? So maybe some butterfly, a heart with a nice bird and flower attached to some tulle in the background. And this is a satin 3-layered rose embellishment. So pretty. Look at this clip. I'll take it out and have a look, show you. How cute is that? With some nice trim, and that's the clip. So pretty. So thank you very much, MrsEvally, for this wonderful embellishment pack. It's really, really pretty, adorable. Oh, and there's also a bow topper that she's also made there. It's just so cute. That's why I just love embellishments. Okay, this one here, okay, I think that was joined together. So this one was from, we'll find out. Let's get that out. Okay, I'm just going to have to, actually, you might be able to just peel that off. Oh, how cute is this? It's a unicorn embellishment in the front. How cute. I've never actually worked with unicorns, but this one is so cute. So this one is from Stacey, and she is Stacey2373 on Instagram. So please, you've got to have a look at her Instagram as well. So let's have a look and see what she's set up in the swap. Look at that. She's even got a little stamp saying "Love Stacey." Okay, just move it to the side so it's not too noisy. So this is her little booklet, and she's used some craft cardstock. She's got my name on there. Oh my goodness, look at that. How adorable is that? It's a unicorn themed embellishment pack. Look at that, so cute. Oh, I don't know if I should take these out. I might just take them out so you can have a closer look. So it's a unicorn, a paper clip. Very, very cute. And this is like a windmill on a little cute little paddle pop stick. That is very cute. And I'll take this one out as well so it's easier to see. Oh, this is adorable. It's a little unicorn and it says magical. Backed on some nice ornate oval shaped a die, looks like a die cut. Very cute. And this one here looks like a pocket with some tags in it. And it says hello. So adorable with a rainbow in the front. Yes, it is. Oh, very cute. Thank you so much, Stacey. This is really, really adorable. Love them all. I've actually got no unicorns at all, so this will be something that I can keep on hand to look at. I won't use them, I'm just going to display them. So thank you for that, Stacey. Again, I will put her link down below as well. And this one here, yep, I have opened it. So let's have a look. This one, oh, look at that. It's nice. Very, very nice. This one is from Prettiest Little Things, and her creations are also lovely. Again, I'll put her link down below as well. This is really, really pretty. Look at that, she's got a nice chipboard frame onto another frame and embellished all of these large embellishments, which is really pretty. There's a little bingo ephemera die cut at the back on the top there with some nice pink tulle. This is really pretty. Thank you very much for that one. And that's just a topper on the top there. So thank you very much for that. I'll definitely use them as well. And this one here, look at her packaging, how cute. She stamped a little postman there, handled with care, happy mail, admitted you're smiling already, special delivery. This is cute. Right, let's see what's inside here. She's wrapped it up with some tissue paper. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Oh, wow. This one is from Crafting with Molly. I will link her details down below as well. She makes some adorable creations as well. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. So these must be, oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, let's start with this one first. These are just a little gifted pack of die cuts with a nice white peg Just some die cuts in here. Let's have a look, see what they are. It's a little tag. Oh, these are so pretty. I love the colours she's got on here. There's some nice tone colours. So there's some butterflies and some scallop circles and hearts. I will have fun using those. Thank you very much. These are adorable. And look at this. I have never seen a paperclip this size. That is huge. Oh, that is so lovely. I love it. I'm going to hang this up on my craft room. It's a nice one. It's embellished with happy and some layered butterflies there. She's layered them up. Really, really pretty on a banner. I think it's like a banner die she must have used. So that is really, really pretty. I love it. Oh, I just love this massive paper clip. Look at that. See the size of my palm. Oh, thank you. And this is her embellishment pack. Oh, this is adorable. All silver glitter paper. She's added all these little sequins in here to make it like a shaker package. A nice silver doily. This is lovely. Lovely, lovely. Okay, well these are the embellishments that we were doing for our swap. So I just wanted to come on here and share with you what these lovely ladies have created for me. And you know, also please head over to their Instagram account if you have Instagram. Click on the follow button and follow them and have a look and see what they create. It's also I think MrsEvally has a YouTube channel, so I will link her down below as well. So yes, I just want to come on here and share with you what I did with my embellishment swap. We had a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun creating for them as well. So thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me here on my channel. Bye for now.